You're watching SGE Times with me, Ishita Hota. Let's have a look at the top stories. SGD University plants trees to honor Kargil heroes. SGD University's Faculty of Engineering and Technology alumni session bridges past and present. Gurugram creates special route for Shivratri. New self-service technologies revolutionize air travel. Now the news is in detail. On Kargil Vijay Divas, SGD University hosted a special event called Plant for Mother to honor the Kargil war heroes. The National Cadet Corps of the university led the effort. The campus was lively as NCC cadet took part in a major tree planting drive. Let's have a look.
The Plant for Mother initiative not only honored the memory of Kargil war heroes but also reinforced a sense of responsibility and commitment among the cadets and the university community. During the drive, enthusiastic cadets planted saplings across the university campus. Each tree was dedicated to a Kargil war hero, symbolically naming the plants after these courageous soldiers. The event was honored presence of Nayak Subedar Satish Kumar, a distinguished guest from the battalion, who added to the significance of the occasion.
जो कारगिल दिवस है आज हमारे लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण दिन है। इस दिन हमने पाकिस्तान में तो कारगिल की जो युद्ध हुआ था उसमें हमने जीत हासिल की थी। इसमें हमारे जवानों ने काफ़ी बलिदान दिया और उस जीत से आज हम उनको इस दिन इनको याद करते हैं और उन पर मालाएं अर्पण करते हैं और पुष्प अर्पित करते हैं।
SGD University's Faculty of Engineering and Technology held a highly successful alumni interaction session. This event was a wonderful opportunity for the alumni to reconnect with the university and engage with current faculty and students. Let's have a look.
The alumni interaction session was a resounding success, reinforcing the importance of alumni engagement in enriching the university experience and strengthening the community. It left everyone with a sense of nostalgia and a renewed connection to SGD University. The core of the event featured a series of interactive discussion where the alumni shared their professional experiences, and these discussions provided valuable insights into the real-world applications of academic knowledge, offering both students and faculty a fresh perspective on how their education translates into professional success.
Hi, konnichiwa. This is Manav and I was a student in SGT University from 2018 to 22 batch, and I was in mechanical engineering. Currently I'm working as an associate manager at Honda Cars India Limited in new model quality department, and today I came here for the alumni meet. It was a wonderful experience and yet to meet old friends and teachers, faculties, and overall experience was quite good, and I'm hoping to come back soon and being a participant in all of these events. This university is wonderful.
Hi all, my name is Ankit Julania. मैं FY23 पास आउट बैच से हूँ। मेरे को आज यहाँ बहुत अच्छा लगा। हमारी एनुअल मीट थी आज, दोस्तों से मिले, कुछ गेम्स खेले, एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था।
Let's take a short break. We'll be back soon.
Step into the spotlight at SGT University. Join the Faculty of Mass Communication and Media Technology, where innovation meets excellence. Experience our top-tier infrastructure, a dynamic news recording studio, advanced podcast lab, high-tech PCR, and a professional shooting floor, all equipped with the latest industry technology. Our curriculum, designed to meet industry demands, offers real-world projects that set you apart. Learn from seasoned industry professionals and gain insights from renowned personalities and industrial icons. Ready to make headlines? Ignite your media career at SGT University.
Welcome back after the break. To ensure smooth travel for devotees during Shivratri, the Gurugram Police have implemented a special traffic route for Kavadiyas. Let's have a look.
On August 2, to accommodate the influx of Kavadiyas participating in Shivratri festivities, the traffic police, under the guidance of Commissioner Vikas Arora, established a separate route within Gurugram. This effort is aimed at preventing any disruption to regular traffic and providing a hassle-free journey for the devotees. This proactive measure reflects the authorities' commitment to facilitating a safe and orderly Shivratri celebration, ensuring that devotees can participate in festivities with ease.
ये जो 2 तारीख को हमारी शिवरात्रि है उसके संबंध में कमिश्नर ऑफ पुलिस श्री विकास अरोड़ा जी के आदेशानुसार ट्रैफिक पुलिस द्वारा व साथ में अन्य सिविल प्रशासन व अन्य पुलिस कंसर्न पुलिस थानों की सहायता से हमने सरहौल बॉर्डर से लेकर गुड़गांव डिस्ट्रिक्ट के अंदर कावड़ियों के लिए एक अलग से ट्रैफिक चलने के लिए लाइन बनाई गई है, जिसमें हमने कोन लगाकर और कोन के अंदर रस्सियां और कुछ साइन बोर्ड लगाकर रास्ता बनाया गया है, ताकि कावड़ी यात्री जो भी हैं वो आसानी से वहां से क्रॉस कर सके, उन्हें किसी प्रकार के व्हीकल की दिक्कत ना आए और क्रॉस करते वक्त भी किसी प्रकार की परेशानी न हो।
In a major development for air travel, airports worldwide are embracing self-service solution, drastically reducing long queues and enhancing the passenger experience. Let's have a look.
In significant leap forward for air travel convenience, airports around the globe are embracing cutting-edge self-service technologies to streamline the passenger experience. The shift towards self-service is also beneficial for airport staff, who can focus on more complex and personalized customer service tasks rather than handling routine check-in procedures. The ongoing adoption of self-service technologies promises further enhancement in air travel, aiming to make the airport experience even smoother and more enjoyable. Bureau Report, SG Times.
That's all for today in SG Times. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more updates.